So our next example is number 2.26. We have to find the number of terms in AP which is given 3, 6, 9, 12 till infinity. Sorry, it is given till 111. So the first term a equal to 3, common difference is that is it is also given, it is an AP, so we'll just do T2 minus T1. So we'll get 6 minus 3 which is equal to 3. So the last term L, last term is denoted by L, keep it in mind, which is here it is given 111. So this formula you should keep in mind, that is when you are given the first term and the last term, and if you are asked to find the number of terms in that AP, this formula will be used. That is number of terms n equal to L minus A by D, which is last term minus first term divided by D plus 1. You should do this plus 1 late in the last, okay? Don't do it in the first itself. So n equal to 111 minus 3 by 3. I already told you that according to board mass, you should complete the calculation between the brackets first, then we'll go to outer. So which is 108 by 3 plus 1, which is 37. So this becomes 36 and plus 1 is 37. Thus the AP contains 37 terms. So our next example is 2.27. We have to determine the general term of the AP whose 7th term is given minus 1 and 16th term is given 17. So you have given the 7th term and 16th term. So let the AP be T1, T2, T3, T4. We are taking it as T1, T2, T3, T4. So it is given that T7 equal to minus 1. T7 or A7 you can take anything. And T16 equal to 17. I already told you that the general formula for a term is A plus N minus 1 into D. That is nothing but T7 will be noted as A plus N, which is 7 minus 1 into D equal to minus 1. It is already given in the question. And 16th term is A plus 16 minus 1 into D, which is given 17 in the question itself. So we get A plus 6D, that is equal to minus 1, and A plus 15D equal to 17. We are taking this as equation number 1 and 2. So subtracting equation from 1 and 2, we get, that is A plus 15D equal to 17. I am subtracting equation 1 from 2. I will get A plus 6D, which is equal to minus 1. So I am changing the symbol now. This will become plus. So I will cancel this A minus A. So then 15 minus 6 is nothing but 9D. This D will be the same. Then 17 plus 1, it is 18. So 9D equal to 18 will get, which gives D equal to 2. So 9D equal to 18, D equal to 18 by 9, which is D equal to 2. So putting D into D equal to 2 in equation 1. Any of the equations you should put. I am taking first equation number 1. You can put in any equation. So we get A plus 6 into, in the place of D we'll put 2. We'll get 6 into 2, which is 12. So A plus 12 equal to minus 1. So A equal to minus 13. We are keeping A here itself. Then we'll take this 12 that side and it will become minus 13. Hence the general term, that is Tn equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So we have got A as 13 and D as 2. So we'll put in the general formula and we'll find the answer. So minus 13 plus N minus 1 into 2. We are finding the general term, so we are putting N as the same. So that is equal to 2N minus 15. I will multiply 2 inside this. I will get 2N minus 2. So minus 13 minus 2 is minus 15 and 2N will be the same. So we have got the answer. So our next example is 2.28. If Lth, mth and nth terms of an AP are x, y and z respectively, then we have to show that first part x into m minus n plus y into n minus l plus z into l minus m equal to 0. And second part is x minus y into n plus y minus z into l plus z minus x into m equal to 0. So in our solution of first part, let a be the first term and d be the common difference. So it is given that t1 equal to x, which is the first term, which is x. So tm equal to y. So TL equal to x, Tm equal to y and Tn equal to z. It is given. So sorry, this is not the first term, but it is any term in the AP. It can be 2, 3, 5, 7, anything. We don't know that. We'll just find solve the sum just. So TL equal to x, Tm equal to y and Tn equal to z. Using the general formula, you already know that in the place of n we are putting L. So here too in the place of n we'll put L. That is a plus L minus 1 into d, which is equal to x. You already know this first equation. A plus m minus 1 into d equal to y. This is second equation. A plus n minus 1 into d equal to z, which is third equation. So we have x into m minus n plus y into n minus l plus z into l minus m. So we have to prove this as 0. So we should first take the terms inside. That is, we are putting a into m minus n plus n minus l plus l minus m plus d into m minus n into l minus 1 plus n minus l into m minus 1 plus l minus m into n minus 1. So that is, when I cancel this, I'll get m and minus m cancel, minus n and plus n cancel, minus l and plus l cancel. So a into 0 plus d into, I am multiplying l and this two sequence, I'll get lm minus ln minus m plus n plus then these two mn minus lm minus n plus l, then this two ln minus mn minus l plus m. So you can see that here minus m and plus m are cancelled, minus l and plus n is l is cancelled, minus n and plus n is cancelled, plus mn and minus mn is cancelled, plus ln and minus ln is cancelled, plus lm and minus lm is cancelled. So here too d into 0 is 0. On subtracting equation 2 from equation 1 and equation 3 from equation 2 and equation 1 from equation 3, we get x minus y equal to l minus m into d, y minus z equal to m minus n into d, z minus x equal to l minus n minus l into d. From here you can know that a equal to minus d and d equal to minus a. So x minus y into n plus y minus z into l plus z minus x into m equal to l minus m into n plus m minus n into l plus n minus l into m into d. That is equal to ln minus mn plus lm minus nl plus nm minus lm into d, which is equal to 0. So we have proved it. This is nothing but d, when d becomes here 0 by d, which will become 0. So we have proved it. So example 2.29, in an AP sum of 4 consecutive terms is 28 and their sum of their squares is 276. We have to find the 4 numbers. So in solution, let us take the 4 terms as a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 3d. This is when it is given the sum as 4 consecutive terms, we will always take it as d, that is a minus 3d, a minus d. Keep it in mind, you can use this in examination also, this common 4 things. So since sum of the 4 terms is 28, a plus, that is we can cancel it easily and we can find a easily. So we are taking the terms as like this. So a minus 3d plus a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 3d, which is equal to 28, minus 3d and plus 3d, d minus d and plus d are cancelled. So 4a equal to 28, which gives a equal to 7. So similarly, since sum of this squares is 276, a minus 3d the whole square plus a minus d the whole square, a plus d the whole square plus a plus 3d the whole square equal to 276. That is, when we expand this, we'll get 276, then we'll get 4a square. That is, you can see minus 6ad and plus 6ad will get cancelled. So we can see 1a square, second a square, third, and it is 4a square and 9d square, 10d square, 11d square, and also 20d square. So I'm adding a squares and d squares. I'll get 276 and d square equal to 4, because a we already know 7 we are putting, we'll get d square equal to 4 and d equal to plus or minus 2. If d equal to 2, then the 4 numbers are, we substitute plus 2 in the place of d. So we'll get 7 minus 3 into 2, 7 minus 2, 7 plus 2, and 7 plus 3 into 2. That is, in this general term, we'll put a and d. So we'll get the terms. That is, 4 numbers are 1, 5, 9 and 13.